Vorsicht, hinten mit den Jacken bitte. Herr Koch, hinten mit den Jacken aufpassen wegen dem Trailer.
And here is a connection. Yes, you see the connection from the truck, and the same on the other side is on the under the trailer.
Okay.
And so when it comes to connection, the people go inside, and so similar you see also on the video exactly. But now you will start. When start? Okay.
Sure.
Lift it up, drive back. Less than a minute. And so automatic now he has the program, and so now you put it in the new step. Yes, step by step, and so now he lifts the leg here automatically. Then always each step you have to confirm. Each step you have to confirm. So you can make a mistake. No, there is no chance on the bottom. If you change the road from the step, there is a reset. So you have to start it. And it's easy.
Yes, that and very safe. The car does not go out into the top board, connected system, the electric, so you don't hear it. And now we have the other way. The driver is not outside the seat. The water gets down, and the lonely one stays on the top. So it's flat. Now it's flat weather.
Tested with 90 degrees, but that's not normal. Normally you have 45 degrees max. But this angle we test and it's no problem.
With 30 we test.
Yeah. Will the driver have this view?
If you like, we can go.
So you're doing.
So I explain you.
Yeah.
I start the engine, all is normal, no?
Yeah.
So now you see the picture from the Kingpin finder. So okay. So I lift the suspension on. So and now you see,
Yeah.
the system starts. So it's locked, and now the system moves up the landing gear.
Okay. You're lifting the landing gear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I'm ready to start. finished. So now uncoupling, starts the system. It asks me landing gear down. Yes. Second time, yes. Landing gear is moving.
Okay.
So we have contact to the bottom. So it asks me open the fifth wheel.
Yeah.
Yes, we want. And the second push for safety. So now it's open. So we can drive out. So we'll see. So job is finished.
Wonderful. What is that remote for?
This is the suspension up and down.
For landing gear.
No, that's for the car.
For the trailer.
For the no, for the truck.
For the tractor.
Yes, tractor.
Tractor, yeah.
Down and up.
Okay. That has to be done manually.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the coupling and decoupling.
That's it.
So if we miss any step, it won't go. We have to follow the steps.
That's right. I can't make any mistakes. The system stops.
Exactly.
Also it needs the parking brake to start.
Okay.
Without brake, nothing moves.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So that is
The
the parking
safety
brake.
first.
Yeah. That's great.